Hello, wanderers. Welcome to another exciting episode from Traveling Kangaroo, your trusty guide to uncovering the world's hidden gems. Today, we're diving headfirst into romance, exploring the top 5 hidden gems for couples in Asia. From the serene beaches of Indonesia to the bustling streets of Japan, these destinations offer a unique blend of adventure, culture, and tranquility. Each spot is a testament to love, filled with intimate moments waiting to be discovered. So, tighten your seatbelts as we embark on this enchanting journey across Asia. Our first stop is the charming city of Hoi An, Vietnam, a place where time seems to pause and love takes the front seat. The ancient town of Hoi An exudes a romantic ambiance that whispers tales of love through its lantern-lit streets. As dusk falls, the city is bathed in a soft, warm glow, creating a picturesque scene straight out of a fairy tale. The unique architecture, a blend of indigenous and foreign influences, tells a story of a rich cultural past that adds to the city's allure. But it's not just about the streets and buildings. The tranquil beaches of Hoi An offer a serene retreat for couples, where they can stroll hand in hand, leaving footprints in the sand. For a taste of local culture, couples can partake in a cooking class, crafting delectable Vietnamese dishes together, or embark on a riverboat ride, floating gently along the water under the starlit sky. Hoi An, a city where love weaves itself into the very fabric of its existence. Next, we island hop to the pristine Gili Islands in Indonesia, a tropical paradise where azure waves gently lap against white sandy shores. The islands are a treasure trove of natural beauty, boasting crystal clear waters that mirror the sky above. Beneath these tranquil surfaces, vibrant coral reefs burst with life, a kaleidoscope of colors waiting to be explored. Forget about motorized transport. Here, the preferred mode of transportation is cycling, a wonderfully intimate experience. Pedal leisurely around the island, hand in hand with your partner, as you soak in the delightful sights and sounds. As the day winds down, the islands reveal another facet of their charm. The sky transforms into a canvas, painted with hues of orange and pink. This magical sunset view is nothing short of a romantic spectacle. And what better way to end the day than with a candlelit dinner on the beach, the stars above your only canopy? Gili Islands, where nature carves out a haven for lovers. We now journey to the spiritual heart of Laos, Luang, Prabang. This city is a tranquil haven where time seems to slow down, allowing love to flourish amidst its serene landscapes. Luang Prabang is home to an array of Buddhist temples, each one exuding an aura of peace and tranquility that is sure to captivate any couple seeking a romantic getaway. In between these spiritual landmarks, the calming Mekong River flows gently, its waters whispering stories of the ages. A boat ride here is a must, as it offers a respite from the bustling world, a moment to simply be with your partner. A short distance away, the romantic Kwangsi waterfalls cascade into turquoise pools. This natural spectacle provides a stunning backdrop for couples to create beautiful memories together. But the city's charm doesn't end here. A hot air balloon ride over Luang Prabang offers a unique perspective, a bird's-eye view of this enchanting city, creating an unforgettable experience. Luang Prabang, a city that whispers tales of love and spiritual connection. Our fourth destination is the timeless city of Kyoto in Japan. Steeped in centuries of history, Kyoto enchants with its tranquil Zen gardens, where the world seems to quieten and time slows down. These gardens, a testament to Japanese aesthetics, provide a serene backdrop for couples seeking a moment of shared tranquility. Venture further into the city, and you'll find yourself in the atmospheric bamboo grove. This ethereal place, with its towering bamboo stalks, brings a sense of peace and wonder, setting the stage for a memorable stroll with your loved one. Next, let's talk about the romantic philosopher's path. This charming walkway lined with hundreds of cherry trees offers an enchanting experience, especially during the cherry blossom season when the path is transformed into a tunnel of soft pink petals. And for couples who enjoy immersive experiences, Kyoto offers the unique opportunity to participate in a traditional tea ceremony. This intimate ritual, steeped in respect and mindfulness, is a beautiful way to connect and create lasting memories. Kyoto, where tradition and romance blend in perfect harmony. Our final stop is the city of lakes, Udaipur, in India. Udaipur is a city that tells tales of romance and royalty at every corner. Majestic palaces stand proud, overlooking serene lakes that glisten under the Indian sun. The city's vibrant bazaars add a splash of color, a symphony of sounds that bring life to the tranquil cityscape. Perhaps the most romantic experience in Udaipur is a boat ride on Lake Piccola. As the setting sun paints the sky in hues of pink and orange, the lake mirrors the spectacle, creating a dreamy ambiance that's perfect for couples. The boat gently cuts through the calm waters, offering a mesmerizing view of the city's grandeur. And when the night falls, the city lights up. Dinner at a rooftop restaurant overlooking the city is an absolute must. Imagine dining under a blanket of stars, with the city's illuminated palaces casting a magical glow on the waters below. Udaipur, a city that paints every love story with royal hues. And that brings us to the end of this romantic journey across Asia. We've wound our way through the lantern-lit streets of Hoi An, Vietnam, where the rich history and serene riverside setting create the perfect atmosphere for love to bloom. We've basked in the sun-kissed tranquility of the Gili Islands in Indonesia, where time seems to stand still and the turquoise waters whisper tales of eternal love. We've strolled hand-in-hand through the tranquil temples and lush landscapes of Luang, Prabang, Laos. This hidden gem, brimming with cultural charm and spiritual serenity, has a unique way of bringing hearts closer. We've also wandered through the timeless beauty of Kyoto, Japan. Amidst its ancient temples and blooming cherry blossoms, every moment spent becomes a cherished memory. And finally, we've explored the royal romance of Udaipur, India. Its grand palaces and tranquil lakes paint a picture of a fairy tale love story that's sure to inspire. Each of these destinations, with their unique allure and romantic ambiance, are waiting to become a part of your love story. So why wait? Pack your bags, grab your partner's hand, and set off on an adventure to these hidden gems. Let the magic of these places kindle the spark of love and create memories that you'll cherish forever. Remember to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more travel insights. Visit our website, travelingkangaroo.com, for detailed guides. Until next time, keep exploring, keep loving.